Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys gesture navigation, how to enable in our Tecno mobile and how can we use gesture navigation setting in our Tecno phone. Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable your gesture navigation. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in your Tecno phone. So how to enable gesture navigation, then guys scroll it. As you can see guys, your system setting guys, tap here guys. You can see your navigation guys, tap here guys. You can see gesture navigation guys. You will have to only click on gesture navigation, then it will enable after 4 and 5 seconds. And guys, you can check how to use back guys. You want to back, you can close app guys. You can see this more setting. So as you want to back this both side guys, you can back. And once you want to close app, so as do like that, and as you can close app like that. So as you can enable your gesture navigation and you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.